For patients that want to know about dental bonding, a lot of people don't really understand what it means. Sometimes a tooth can be cracked, chipped, broken in a way that doesn't require significantly invasive treatments. And so with just a little bit of preparation of the tooth, we can use dental bonding to rebuild the tooth, to restore it, to give it a beautiful contour and appearance. Dental bonding is really simple. It's just taking a tooth-colored composite resin material and actually bonding it to the tooth, hence the term dental bonding. And it can be very, very useful in restoring small problems in the smile, chips, those kind of things. If you feel like you might need dental bonding, let's say you've got a chip on a front tooth, or a dark spot, or even a hole somewhere, come in, let's have a look and see if dental bonding can help you.